Good morning, students. We can start today's class. Shall we start, dear? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, if you have any doubt means, please raise your hand, ma. In your option, you have that raise your hand option. You can raise your hand. And also, whenever you have any doubt, you can type in that chat box and you can ask. Okay, so we can start the class. So please turn off your mic, all of you. Turn off your mic. Only turn on when you are telling answers, or if you have any doubt means you can turn on. So I welcome you all to today's live. This is live 5. Today we are going to see linear equation in one variable. Okay, look at the first sum here. Two consecutive even numbers are such that half of the larger number exceeds 1/4 of the smaller by 5. Find the numbers. So we have two even numbers. Whenever you are having two even numbers, let's take any random even number. 8. What is the even number next to 8? Can anyone tell me?
10.
10. Very good. Okay, how you told that next even number is 10? How you told? The next even number is 10.
The number which is multiple by 2 is called even number.
The number which is multiple by 2, or you are just adding plus 2. We can say like that, right? Consecutively, you are adding just plus 2. In the same way, if I have 12 means I need to find another number. I can just add plus 2. 12 plus 2, 14 is the next even number. So in the same way, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take two even numbers. So the first number, smaller number, I am going to take as x. So next, for larger number, if I want to find the next even number means what I should do? I should just add plus 2. So what I am going to do is x plus 2. Very good. Any doubt with this step? How I found these two numbers? Can you all hear me? This is an interactive session, so you all should answer me, okay? Any doubt with this one?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Here what is given means two consecutive even numbers are such that half of the larger number exceeds 1/4 of the smaller by 5. So the difference between larger number minus smaller number is given as 5. Difference is given as 5. So half of larger number means I can write 1/2 of larger minus 1/4 of smaller means 1/4 of smaller is equal to 5. Very good. So here what is the larger number we have taken in our question? Can you tell me what is the larger number? No, ma, here. Look, what is the larger number? Very good. X plus 2. Very good. 1/4 of what is this smaller number?
X is equal to X.
Yeah, very good. Next one
X is equal to 5.
is equal to 5. Next, let me multiply this inside, or we can just write this as x plus 2 by 2 minus x by 4 equal to 5. So whenever we are having a sum like this, what we should do means we need to find, yes? Denominators are not same here. Here the denominator is
LCM.
Yeah. We need to take LCM. LCM of denominators. What is the LCM of denominator?
4.
Very good.
4.
If one number is the factor of other number, bigger number is the LCM. So LCM is 4. What we are going to do is multiply all the terms by this LCM. All of these terms by LCM. Now we can cancel this, right? How many times? 2 table?
2 times.
1 time, 2 time. 4 table, 1 time, 1 time. Okay, here we can write this as 2 into x plus 2 minus x is equal to 5 fours are. What is 5 fours are?
20.
20. Very good. Now multiply this 2 inside.
2x plus minus
Very
x.
good.
2x plus
Very
4.
good. Bhuvan, is your name Bhuvan? Very good. Mail ID Bhuvan, very good. What is your name, ma?
Bhuvan, ma'am.
Bhuvan, very good, dear. 2 to the
Thank you. 4.
4 minus x
X is equal to
equal to
20.
20. Okay. Mail ID Malini, what is your name?
X plus 4 is equal to 20.
Prayukta, you are not answering anything. Can you tell the what is next step?
Variables in one side, constant in another.
Very good. Keeping variables in one side. 2x minus x is equal to 20. What
20 plus minus 4. 20 minus 4.
Very
Minus
good,
4.
very good. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 20 minus 4. 2x minus x is nothing but x.
X is equal to 16.
Is equal to 16. What is asked in the question? We need to find the numbers. So,
And we want to substitute.
yeah, the numbers are, first we have taken the number as x and
X.
x plus
X is equal to 16.
x is equal to 16. Then x plus 2 is what?
16 plus 2, 18.
18. So what are the two numbers? 16
16 and 18.
18.
Very good. Okay, you can take screenshot of this one. Is it visible to you? Or you want me to show half? Is the full question visible or you want me to show the first half and second half, ma?
Visible, ma'am.
Visible. Okay, have you taken screenshot means please give thumbs up. Okay, we are going to second question. Okay, this question is one important. So when you're quiz, so listen to this question carefully. A person is paid rupees 150 for each day he works and is fined rupees 30 for each day he remains absent. If in 40 days he earns rupees 3,300, fine for how many days did he work? So listen carefully. We all, many of us go to work, right? When you're done, that person for each day he works, he is paid rupees 150. And if he didn't go to work, he is absent that day, means he is getting fine amount. He should pay rupees 30 to the company. He is fined 30 rupees to the company. In 40 days, he earned 3,300 rupees. Now we need to find how many days did he work. So if we don't know something, means what we'll take. I need to find how many days he work. How we can find? If I don't know something, means what I'll take that, ma?
X. X.
X, ma'am.
Very good. X. So let me take total days. Total days is given as 40, right?
40.
Yes, ma'am.
So the number of days he went to work, I'm taking that as present.
X.
He went to work, so present. I'm
X.
taking that as
X.
X. Okay. If you are going to a school, in 1 month, so 1 month has 30 days.
30
In 30
days.
days, you went to school for 25 days. How many days you didn't go to school?
5.
5 days.
How you
5 days.
found that 5?
5 days. Minus.
Minus now 25. In the same way,
25.
tell me what you write here. Here,
40 minus X.
40 minus
very
X.
good.
40 minus
Very
X.
good. How we write?
40 minus X.
40 minus X. Okay. How much money he get at the end?
Ma'am,
3,300.
Minus how many days he was absent? Days is equal to
40 minus X.
3,300.
3,000.
3,300.
300.
Okay. Listen.
X minus 40 minus X is
No,
equal
no,
to
not like that.
3300.
Listen. If one day he goes to work means, if he goes to
150.
work, one day he goes to work means how much money he gets?
150.
One day he gets rupees 150.
150 rupees.
2 days means how much money he gets?
300. 300.
Found that 2 into 150, right?
50 is equal to 300.
Then he went for X days. Then how much money he got?
X into
3,300.
No ma, one day 150 rupees he gets. 2 days, 2 into 150 we get.
X into 150. X into 150.
Very good. Who told that answer? X into 150. Bhuvan. Very good. Very good. That's the correct answer. So how you should write? X
X into 150.
150. X into 150 we can write this as rupees 150x. So how much money he gets for working there? He gets 150.
150x.
Okay. Next, let's find for fine. If one day he didn't work means how much our money is fined?
30.
30 rupees.
30. 2 days he didn't work means how much
60.
money is fined?
30 into 2.
30. Then if he didn't work for 40 minus x days means how much money
X
is
into
fined?
30. X into 30.
No, 40 minus x.
40 into 30.
40
40
minus
X into 30.
into 30. Very good. Now we need to substitute money he received for number of days present is minus
150x.
absent is
150.
30
30 into 40 minus X
is equal
is
to
equal to 3,300.
3,300. Now what is the next step I should do? Any idea?
1,200. 1,200.
Multiply inside. Okay, here this is very
1,200 minus 30x. 1,200 minus
That's where
30x.
you will make the mistake, dear. Listen carefully. We are not only multiplying 30, we are multiplying minus 30.
Minus.
So what comes means minus 1,200
1,200 minus
into minus
plus 30x.
many of you would make mistake. In this step, many of the students would write minus 30, then you will get wrong answer. So listen carefully. Why we got plus 30? Because we are multiplying minus also inside.
Minus.
Okay. So next, keeping variables in one side and constant on other side, what we'll have?
150x minus 30x
150x plus 30x
plus 30x is equal to 3,300 plus 1,200 plus 1,200.
plus 1,200. Here we have
180x is equal to 4,500. 4,500.
500. Keeping x here, we get
4,500 minus 1 by 180.
0, 0,
0, 0 cancel.
18 table,
Nine
we get
table.
1 time,
1,
2 times 36. So we get 5 times 25. So x is equal to
25 days.
So number of working days. So number of working days is equal to
25.
25
25.
answer.
25.
Okay.
25.
So take a screenshot of this one. $25. Take a screenshot. Okay, many of you are not telling answers. Sushil Jayan, mail ID Sangeeta, Jitesh, mail ID Sachin Mahadev, that Malini, you are not answering. Please try to answer the questions, Ma. Then only I can understand whether you have understood this or not. Okay, so make interactions. Okay, this is like normal class. Okay, we are going to the next question. If Meghas, Bhuvan, you raised your hand. Do you have any doubt?
Ma'am, second question is not visible, ma'am. Question.
Okay, I'll show half to you. You want question or answer?
Question, ma'am.
Take a screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall
Yes,
we-
ma'am. Took, ma'am.
Okay. So next one, If Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age, the result is 60 years. Find her age. We need to find Megha's age. What is given means Megha's age is increased by 3 times her age. So what we are going to do is let
X plus 3. Mega's age is
Megha's
X.
age.
Age B X.
Mega's age is equal to X. I'm going to take Mega's age as
X years.
X years.
Yes,
Now
yes.
what is given means Mega's age is increased.
Megha's age is increased.
X plus 3. X plus 3. Ma'am, 3 into X.
Okay, increased means what we should put?
Plus X
Put
plus 3.
plus sign.
Plus
3
3.
times means we need to multiply. Whenever you
Multiply.
have this word times means 5 times 6. 5 times 6 means 5
into
into 6. So here 3 times her age means 3 into
X.
her age. What is her age? X.
X. 3X is equal to
what
X
is
years.
given?
60 years. X years. 60
Is
years.
equal to 60 years.
60 years.
Plus 3x.
4X is equal to 60. 60 years. X is equal to 60 by 4. 60
Very
by
good.
4.
X is equal to 60
60
by
by
4. X is equal to 4. 1 time 4 how many times?
15 times. X is
So
equal
X
to
is
15.
equal to what you get?
15.
Now can you tell what is Megha's age?
15.
15.
Megha's age is equal to 15. You need to
15.
tell the unit also. What is the unit?
15 years old.
So Megha's age is equal
Age
to
is equal to 16 years.
15
15 years.
15 years.
Take a screenshot. Okay, we can go to the next question. Look at the next 4 questions. Form a linear equation with the given statement. This is very easy question. We just need to form a linear equation. Here and all we are given linear equation. Now we need to form a linear equation, then we can solve. So look at the first question. 7 more than 9 times a number is 43. Any idea how to solve this one? How to form a linear equation with this one?
9x plus 7 is equal to 43.
Very good, very good. Sachin Mahadev, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your full name, ma? Is it Sachin Mahadev?
Sachin Madhav, ma'am.
Oh, Madhav. Okay. I'll change it next time. Very good. So how we should write means for 7 more than. More than means we should always put plus sign. So I'm writing plus here. 9 times a number. We don't know what is that number. So let me go with new.
9x. 9x.
Let the. Okay, is my voice breaking to you? You can hear the audio, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I'm going to do, let the number be. We are always taking x as a variable. Let's go for some other variable. Can you tell me what? We are going with next letter y. Let's go with some other. Shall we take yum?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
are always taking x, y and z, right? Let's take some more variables. So I'm going to take with yum, okay? 9 times a number means 9 into
9m.
number
9 into m. 9m.
9
Is
into
equal to 43.
is equal to 43.
43.
That's it.
9m is equal to 43 minus 7.
Find the answer. What is asked in the question? They are just asking you to
equation.
form a linear equation. We formed a linear equation. This is your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
It's very simple. This is your answer. Bhuvan, you have any doubt here? You raised your hand?
Ma'am, only we should form this equation only, ma'am.
Yes. What is asked in the question? Form a linear equation with the given statement. So just
We should
form
not
a
solve,
linear-
ma'am.
No, we need not to solve. They are not asking us to solve, so we can solve. We can just keep up to here.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Have you taken screenshot? Okay, I'm moving on to next one. This is also very simple. Okay, what variable we can take here? We are always taking same x, y and all. Give me a new variable.
Q.
Q. Let the number be. Oh, already one person told Q, so I'm taking that Q.
Q.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Let the
4Q.
number be Q. 3 taken away from 4 times the number is 9. Taken
4Q
away means
4Q
what
minus
sign?
3.
Plus, minus,
Minus.
into, division.
Minus.
Which sign? Minus.
Minus.
What is taken away? 3 taken
3x
away.
minus 4.
No, 3 taken away. We are taking
4
from that
minus
number.
3x.
From 4.
4 minus 3x.
4 times the number.
4 times the
4Q.
number means
4
4Q.
4Q
Is
minus
equal to 9.
4 minus 3 is equal to 9.
4Q minus 3 is equal to 9. That's it. This is
9.
our answer. 3 taken away from. So whenever we are having from means we should write the,
Just write the number first.
after from as first. Okay. So 4Q minus 3 is equal to 9. This is your answer. Okay, take a screenshot.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is Abhinav present in today's class? Since you are having different mail ID, is anyone named Abhinav is present in class, ma? Yes or no? You can turn on your mic and tell yes or no. Is anyone named Abhinav is present in the class? No one is here named Abhinav, right? Okay. Okay, we can go on to the next one. Okay, look at the next one. So we have two questions here. 6 times the number is 10 times more than the number. So 6 times the number is 10 times. So this is not 10 times. The question is wrong here. 6 times the number is 10 more than the number. And the next question is find the number. So first what I'm going to do is 6 times the number. What we can take, let the number be. One more alphabet. Okay, let the number be
D, ma'am. D.
Let the number be D. 6
6D.
times the number means
Ma'am, 6.
6D.
60.
6
60
into D.
is
Equal
10
to
more than the
10.
number. 10
times
more
more
than
than the
means
number.
10.
10
More
times
than means
plus D.
plus
D.
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 What is
D.
more than the number? D. Okay,
D.
form the
D.
linear
6.
equation. But again they are asking one more question. What is the one more question they have?
Find the number. Find the number.
Find the
60
number.
minus D is equal to
Solve
10.
this.
60 minus D is equal to 10.
Equal to 10.
10.
10. 5D is equal to 10.
D is equal to very
D
good.
is equal to 2.
D is
D is equal to 2.
2. We can write this step also. D is equal to
2. 10 by
1, 2. So D is equal to 2. This is your answer. So in this question, they are asking us to find the number. That's why we are finding. Otherwise, we need not to find.
Okay, ma'am.
So we have two questions here. Take a screenshot of these two questions. Okay, this question, anyone from the class, can you tell me how to solve this one? I'll read the question for you. 1 added to numerator and 4 is subtracted from the denominator. The fraction becomes
Ma'am, in numerator we should add 1 and we should subtract 4 in the denominator.
yeah, but closer to that. So first what we need to do means whenever we are having a fraction. So whenever I'm having a fraction, that fraction is made up of numerator, division line and denominator. This is the general form, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So here we can take numerator as, can you suggest me any variable? I can take that as numerator.
Ma'am,
H. A. So since you are
A by B. D.
obviously denominator is B. Okay.
B.
A by B. Now numerator is equal to A and denominator is equal to B. Now we have the fraction as
A by B.
A by B plus 1. A plus 1 by
here.
B,
1 is added to numerator. So what I
A
said?
plus 1
plus 1.
Very good.
1 B by B plus
minus
4.
4.
By B plus 4.
Very good. Bhuvan
B minus-
Madhav, very good, very good.
Minus
Uh,
4. minus 4,
Next,
ma'am.
4 is subtracted from the
B
denominator.
minus
What
4.
I should do?
A plus 1 by B minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good,
Is
very
it-
good. All of you, those who are answering, very good, dear. Is equal to, what is your answer?
A
Is equal to what is
One.
given?
One.
1. So I am writing 1. Now we need to solve this one. Let's solve this also. So a plus 1 is equal to 1
1
into
1 into B minus 4. A plus 1 is equal to 1B minus 4.
a plus 1 is equal to 1 into
B minus 4.
numbers.
B minus 4.
Numbers, I'm
Minus
just
4.
writing B minus 4. Listen, you can't solve up to stop with this step. This is not a linear equation. Okay, this
We have
step
to
is not a
solve.
linear equation. We need to solve this. That's why I am solving here. Now, keeping variables in one side, A plus B
minus
coming this side, what happens?
Minus B. Minus B. A minus B is equal to 4. Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1.
Umesh, very good. A minus B is equal to
Minus 4 minus 1.
Minus 4.
minus 1.
A minus B is equal to
A minus
5. B is equal to minus 5.
minus 5.
Minus
So
5.
this is also a linear equation, or we can keep all the numbers in one side. A minus B
Minus B is equal to minus 5.
So let me bring this minus 5 this side. Minus 5 coming this side is
Plus
become
5.
plus 5.
Plus 5.
Here no number is
equal
here
to
means equal to 0. So the linear equation is
A minus B plus 5 is equal to 0.
This is your linear equation. Okay, take a screenshot of this question. Can you see? Bhuvan, is the question not visible to you?
No, ma'am. Last A minus B plus 5 is equal to 0. I can't understand that, ma'am.
Okay, I'll teach it again to you. This step you can't understand.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll erase and teach it to you one more time. So listen, here A minus B plus 5. You understand how we got this A minus B is equal to minus 5, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a linear equation. We can stop up to this step. Or we can again change this to linear equation. How means A minus B minus 5, which is in RHS, coming to LHS. What it becomes, ma?
Plus 5. Plus 5.
Plus 5. So I am writing plus 5 equal to. Here we have only one number minus 5. I am taking that minus 5 also. Then what will be remaining there?
0.
0. Suppose if you have a basket, in that basket you have 5 apples. You are taking all the 5 apples away. What you have inside the basket?
No,
Nothing.
no.
0.
0.
So we are writing 0. Now you understand this step?
0. Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Take a screenshot. Okay, we are moving to next question. Two numbers differ by 5. If one number is x, means other number is dash or dash. There are two numbers, ma. The difference between two numbers is given as 5. Now one number is given as x. We need to find what is the other number. So let me take an example. We can go with 10. There are two numbers. One number is 10. If I want to find other number, the difference is 5 is given. How to find other number means there are two possibilities of
Minus
that number.
5.
So what may be the another number?
5.
10
5.
plus
10
5
plus
get
5.
15
Or
or
10
10 minus 5 is equal to 5.
Okay. Because if you find the difference between 15 and 10, what is difference between 15 and 10?
5, ma'am. 5.
What is the difference between 10 and 5?
5.
Again 5. So the
5.
possibilities are two. What are the two possibilities? Either you should add the 5 or subtract the 5.
Subtract the 5.
Okay, very good. Can you tell me what are the two numbers, the possible numbers we can write here? One number is given as x. What may be the other two numbers?
X plus 5. X plus 5, X minus 5. X plus 5, X minus 5.
Malini, you told our answer, I think. X plus 5. Very good,
X plus 5
Malini.
or X minus 5.
Very good. X plus 5
Or
Or
number.
X minus 5.
So many of you would write here, instead of writing x minus 5, many people would write 5 minus x. That one is wrong. Okay, that's why I gave this question. Many of you would write 5 minus x as answer. That is wrong. You should write x plus 5 or x minus 5. That is the correct answer. So take a screenshot of this one. So we are moving to the next question. This one is a little bit different. So understand this question properly. And it's also one of the important questions. So listen carefully. 3 consecutive whole numbers are such that if they be divided by 5, 3 and 4 respectively, the sum of quotients is 40. Find the numbers. We are given consecutive whole numbers. Okay, what does mean by consecutive? I have told you in many classes.
Ma'am, other than prime number or consecutive?
What other than no, that is not correct. Consecutive.
Next number.
Yeah, very good. Malini, correct. Very good. Umesh, you have doubt? You raised your hand?
Ma'am, no ma'am, I want to say the answer.
Okay. So the very next number is called as the consecutive number. So let's take any random number. Let me take the number as 12. What is the consecutive number of 12?
13.
13. Next 13.
14. 14. Next
You are
number.
just adding plus 1 here, right?
Plus 1.
Plus 1. So in the same way, can you please tell me, I am taking the number, first number as
X.
Can you
X
say
plus
what is the
1
second
plus
number?
X plus 2. X plus 1.
Very good. Next
X
number
plus
is
2.
x plus 1. Next
1 X
number
plus
is
2.
x plus 2. So listen carefully. 3
Is
consecutive
equal to
whole
40.
numbers. We are taken 3 consecutive whole numbers here. What is the next line? If they be
is equal to
divided
40.
by, no here, if they be divided by 5, 3, 4 respectively. Respectively means first number
Separately.
is divided by first one. Second number
is
second
divided
number.
by second one.
Third number is what? Third one.
4.
So that is what this respectively means. Okay. So what I am going to do
And
is
the
first
sum of the quotient is 40.
x by x is divided by which number?
5. 5.
5.
X by 5. X plus 1 by 3.
Next x
Plus 1 by 3.
is divided by 3.
X plus 2 divided by 4.
X plus 2 is divided by 4.
4.
Now what is given in the question means the sum of
Sum of
quotients is,
quotient is 40.
sum means we can just put
Plus sign.
is
Is equal to 40.
40.
Now we should take LCM, ma'am.
Okay, any doubt of how we formed this linear equation?
No, ma'am.
Understand how we write?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Whenever we are having a sum like this means we need to find LCM of denominators. Okay, in your
5,
notes,
3 and 4, ma'am.
find the LCM and tell me what is the LCM for 5, 3 and 4. Can anyone
Yes, ma'am.
solve and tell me?
Yes, ma'am.
In your note, solve and tell me, dear.
5, 3, 4,
5, 3 and 4.
Ma'am, 60.
16.
Very good. Who told the answer?
16.
Very good, very good. 60 is the answer. Very good. Those who told correct answer, 60 is the LCM.
Ma'am,
So
60.
we got LCM as 60. After finding LCM, multiply the LCM with each and every term.
X into 60 by
Multiply with each and every term into.
40 into a 60.
Okay, can we cancel this? Umesh,
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you tell me how many times?
Ma'am, 4 1 time, 65 time, ma'am.
No, here,
12
5.
time. 1 time.
5 1 time, 60, how many times?
60, 12 time, ma'am. 12 time.
One, can you tell me for this one, 3 and 63, how many times?
1 time, ma'am.
60?
60, 20 time.
Very good. Sachin Madhav, can you tell for 4 and 60?
4 1 time, for 60, 15, ma'am. 15,
How
ma'am.
many times?
15. 15, ma'am.
15. 1, 5. Very good. Okay. Now we can go with the next step. 12 into
12x plus 20x.
20 into x plus 1. No, not 20.
X plus 1
20 into x
plus 15 into x plus 2. Yeah, is equal to 40.
Okay, Malini, that Prayukta, I think. Can you tell me what is this 40 into 60? Multiply and tell me 40 into 60.
Ma'am, 2,400. 2,400. Ma'am,
Yeah,
2,400. 2,400.
20. So this is
2,400.
okay. Let me tell you the common mistake you people will make. Here, what you will do means you will just ignore this 60 and you will just write 40 in the LHS in next step. That is the common mistake many of you will do. So don't write it.
20x plus 20. 20x plus 20. 20x plus 20.
20 plus again multiplying.
Ma'am, you didn't put x, ma'am. 20x plus 20, ma'am.
Yeah,
20.
thank you. 20x plus 20. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Okay, here tell me.
15x plus 30. 15x plus 30. 30.
15x plus 30 is
30 is equal to 2,400.
keeping variables in one side and constant in other
30
side.
to
We
x.
have
30 to x. 50 to x, ma'am.
plus 20
50 to x, ma'am.
plus
50 to x.
equal to
2,400 minus 30. Minus 30.
here we have 20.
Minus 20. Ma'am, 50 to x, ma'am.
20
50 to
and
x.
30. It's 52x. No, add properly, dear. It's not 52. 12, 20 and 15. It's not 52.
47.
47.
Yeah, it's 47x.
47x is equal to
47x is equal to 2400 minus what you get? 2350.
50.
So x is equal to 2350 by 47. Okay, let's see who finishes this division first and tells the answer. I'm going to note down who's going to tell the answer. Can you please tell me? Divide and tell the answer, ma.
Ma'am, 50.
Very good, Sushil Jayant. Very good.
Ma'am, 50, ma'am.
So,
50, ma'am.
he told the answer first. He told the answer first. The others, very good. 50, very good. Many of you are telling 50, so you are working it down. I'm very happy with you all. Okay, since we found the first number as 50, now we can find the remaining numbers. So I can write the numbers are, what are the numbers?
50.
What is the next number?
51.
51. Next number?
52.
52. These are the numbers.
Ma'am.
You can take screenshot of this one. Since this is a very long question, I'm going to show the first half to you. Take screenshot of first half and we can take screenshot of second half.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have seen many of the thumbs up, so I'm going to the next question. Okay, next. If the same number be added to the numbers 5, 11, 15 and 31, the resulting numbers are in proportion. Find the number. So we are adding a same number. One same number is added to all other numbers. Then the given numbers would be in proportion. Now we need to find what is that number. Whenever we don't know what is the number, what we'll do? We don't know.
Yes, ma'am. X. X. Let the number be
number be x. Let the number be.
Number be X.
When you tell 4 numbers are in proportion.
4X.
No, 4 numbers are in proportion. If we can write the numbers in the form A
Rate
is
A is
A
to
B
B.
is proportion to B is to
C is to D. If we can write in the form A is to B is equal to C is to D means then
Then
the
5 is to
numbers
11
are,
is equal to 15 is to 31.
no, 55, 11, 15, 31 are not in proportion. They are telling if you add X to that numbers means then the number is in proportion. Then how you should write means in place of A I am
5
writing
plus X.
5 plus
5,
X.
5 plus X is to 11 is to 11 plus X is equal to
Very good. Next.
15 plus X is to X is to 31 plus X.
Okay, whenever we are having a proportion like this means what rule we'll use? Do you remember what rule we will use?
Ma'am, mean proportional and extreme.
Yeah, you're right, you're that. Can you tell me what is the formula?
Ma'am, adding the number with X.
No, this is the formula. Product of
Extreme is
extremes
equal
is
to
equal to
product of mean.
product of extremes is equal to product of mean. Here the extremes are the outside number, the last two
5
numbers
plus X.
A and D.
5 plus X is to
These two
31
numbers
plus X.
are extremes and B and C.
5 plus X into 31 plus X. 5
Very
plus,
good.
ma'am, product means into, ma'am.
Yes.
5 plus X
into 31
31 plus X.
plus
X is equal to
11 plus
11 plus X into 15 plus X.
15 plus X. So let me multiply this. This is binomial multiplication. 5 into
Ma'am.
31. Multiply and tell 5
155, ma'am. 155.
Very good. Very good. You multiplied it so fast. 155 plus
155 plus
5x
5x. 5x
plus
plus
now we need to multiply these two.
x. 31x plus 31x
Plus
plus
square.
x square.
Same way, can you multiply and tell
11
for
into
these two
15.
11 into 15?
Ma'am, 165. 165.
165. Very good. Go on next.
11x plus 11x.
Plus
Plus, yeah, 15x into x square. 15x plus 15x plus x square. Plus x square.
okay, listen. X square we have LHS and in RHS, so I am cancelling x square with same sign. Next 155 plus 5x plus 31x. What you get?
Ma'am, 36x. 36x.
Next 165
165.
plus 11x plus 15x.
26x. 11x plus 15x. 26x.
26x square, not x. Keeping
Ma'am,
variables in one side and constant in other side.
36x minus 26x. 11x. 10x
165 minus
155.
so 155 coming this side.
Ma'am, 10x is equal to 10. 10x is equal to 10.
Very good. 10x is equal
10x
to.
is equal to 10. 10.
Okay, here my pen is not working. Wait. 10x is equal to.
10. 10. X is equal to 1. X is equal to 1.
X is equal to
10 by 10.
X is equal
10
to.
by 10. X is equal to 10. 1. X is equal to 1.
1. So then what is the number, required number they are adding? The number they are adding is 1. 1 is the number they are adding. Okay, so this is your answer. So I'll show first half to you. You take screenshot of first half.
Done, ma'am.
Next screenshot of second half. Second one.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, dear, this is a recorded video. So you can see this video in YouTube also. Okay, after today's class, if you have any doubt means you can watch this video in our YouTube channel, Anbaalaya YouTube channel. You can subscribe to the channel and you can watch the video in YouTube. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can watch. Okay, next. A salary is same as 4 times B salary. If together they earn rupees 3,750 per month, find the salary of each. So we need to find A salary and B salary.
Ma'am, B salary is A salary is X plus 4. B
No,
salary
it's
is
not half
Ma'am,
correct dear.
4x.
Half correct.
4x,
So B salary, we are very good. Those who found we should take B salary as X. It's very correct. We need to take B salary as X. Very good.
X plus
Because B
X,
is getting low
salary
salary.
X plus 4.
So
X
listen,
plus 4.
here, A salary is compared to B. How they are compared means 4
As 4
times
times.
B salary. I told you
So X
whenever you
into
have
ma'am,
this
X
word
into 4.
times. Very good. Times
X into
means
4,
we need to multiply. Very good.
X into 4.
X into
So
4.
rupees
X into 4.
4 into X, what you get?
4x.
4x. It is important. So together they earn A salary plus B
Plus
salary.
B
What is the
salary
monthly salary?
3,750. 3,750.
What is A salary? 4x.
4x. 4x plus x. 5x is equal to
Equal to 3750.
3750.
5x is equal
5x
to.
is equal to 3750.
Very good. X
5x
is equal to.
Equal to 3750
2,750 divided by 5.
Divided by 5. 5 table 1 5
Five.
5. Can you tell me how many times
750.
35? 7 times 35. Balance
750.
5 times
750. 50.
Very
X is
good.
equal to 750.
Told answer. X is equal to
X is equal to
750.
750.
Whether the sum is over here?
No, ma'am.
Why? Why no?
And because we want to find A salary and B salary.
Very good. We need to find A salary and
B
B.
salary 750. 4 into 750. 4 into 750. 4 into 750.
A salary is equal to 4 into 750.
4 into 750.
Multiply and tell me.
3,000.
So A salary is equal to 4 into 750.
3,000.
3000. B salary
750.
is equal to rupees 750.
750.
Okay. In another way also you can find A salary. Instead of substituting here, the another way to find A salary is total minus B salary. What is total? 3000.
3,750.
What is B salary?
750. 750.
So subtracting these two, what you get?
3,000.
So in this way also you can find A salary. In both the ways you can find, both the ways are correct. You can find A salary in 2 methods.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so first take screenshot of first half. Take first half.
Yes, ma'am.
Second half. This is your second half. So unit is very important. Never forget to put unit mark. Unit is very, very important. Okay, we can go to the next one. Next, it's very simple. It's a 1 mark question. Consecutive multiples of 8 differ by. So can you tell 8 table for me? Anyone? 8 table.
6.
First, Malini, what happened? You are raising your hand.
8 plus 1.
Wait a minute. Prayukta, you have doubt, right? What is your doubt?
Can I tell the answer? 8.
Yes, you can tell. Tell what are the next numbers.
8 plus 1. 8 plus 1.
No. I am asking multiples.
1, 8.
Ma'am, 8 into
Can
1.
you tell the multiples of 8? That is 8 table.
8 into 1.
8.
8.
Prayukta, you need to tell 8 table, ma. What is the next one?
8 into 8.
16.
8 into 8.
Very good. 16. Next.
16. 24. 16. 24.
Very good. Next.
32.
32. Then
40.
40.
48.
Okay, stop with this.
48.
Let me take a random number after this one. So what we are going to take is, let's take 160. Okay, can you tell what is the next multiple of 160?
320.
No, I'm asking about 8 table. In 8 table, what is the next multiple?
168.
168. Then
168. 176. 176.
176. Then
188. 188.
no, 188 is wrong.
184.
Very good. 184.
184.
Then
192. 192. 192. 192.
192. Correct. 192. So listen here. We are taking any random number here. We are taking a random number and we can find the multiple of 8. How we are finding this multiple of 8 means, because look what is the difference in all these numbers.
8, ma'am.
What is the difference?
8, ma'am.
Plus 8 plus 8.
8 is the difference of all numbers.
So for all the numbers, what is the difference? 8.
8.
That's the reason why you can tell all the numbers. So if I give you a random number like 408 means, can you tell what is the next multiple?
416.
How you are telling this
416.
You are just
416.
yes or no?
424. 424.
So this is what the question is asking. Listen, consecutive multiples of 8 differ by. So whenever you are taking consecutive multiples like this means, what is the difference between all these numbers?
8.
Yeah, very good. What is the difference between all these numbers?
8.
8. So consecutive multiples of 8 differ by 8. So many of you would write plus 1, plus 2, plus 3 and all. That is wrong. Consecutive multiples of 8 differ by 8. In the same way, can you tell me what is the consecutive multiples of 15 differ by?
15.
15. Consecutive multiples of 15 differ by 15.
15.
Okay. Here, if x is a multiple of 37, then find the next two multiples. So first multiple is given as x. What will be the next multiple? Listen here. If first multiple is given as 408 means you found the next one by how? You just add plus 8, right?
Yes, ma'am.
In the same way, like let me take 37. How you find next multiple?
Plus 37. Minus 31.
Plus 37. 14.
74.
Again, next multiple means what you do? Plus
37. 11.
Plus 37 means adding 11.
Ma'am, 111.
111. So you are adding like this. Plus 37 plus 37. In the same way, first number is x. Can you tell me what is the next number?
X plus 2. X plus 2.
No, x plus 2 is wrong.
X plus X. X plus 1.
X plus 37 is the next multiple. What is the next multiple?
X plus 37. X plus 74.
X plus 37.
74.
What will be the next multiple? Next
X
multiple.
plus 74.
X plus 74.
Plus 74.
Plus 37.
Plus 37, 74.
So next multiple is x plus. Wait, my pen is not working here. So next multiple here we have x plus
74.
24. So this is your answer. Okay. Okay. Now your homework question is consecutive multiples of 15 differ by 15, right? So here in the same question, this is your homework. Instead of writing 37, you write, if x is a multiple of 84, then find the next 5 multiples. So this one is your first homework question. And your second homework question, if x is a multiple of 107. Then find next 7 multiples. So this is your homework question. Same question. Instead of writing 37, you are going to 84 and 5. Find 5 multiples. 107 and you need to find 7 multiples. And the number you need to send us. This is the number. Bhuvan, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, daily the class will be conducted, ma'am.
What the? I can't understand. Can you ask one more time?
Ma'am, daily the class will be conducted, ma'am.
Live class date will be given to you, ma. Weekly once your live class will be conducted.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so this is your WhatsApp number you need to send. The number is 9965502211. Using this number, you can send your answer. Send your answer by today evening, before today evening, okay? So this is
Okay,
your
ma'am.
homework question. Okay, take a screenshot of this one.
Finished, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your class. Thank you all, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, by team.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anbaalaya.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
how was today's class?
Nice, ma'am.
You enjoyed today's class?
Nice,
You
ma'am.
understand
Yes,
all
ma'am.
the terms?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you took screenshot, right? So do you like today's class?
Yes, ma'am.
Today's class means you need to complete the homework and send it to me. I'm very happy with today's class. Many of you answered the questions. I'm very happy with you all. Thank you all. Bhuvan,
Thank you, ma'am.
Pradesh, Malini, Umesh, Sachin, all of you. I'm very happy because of you. Thank you all. Thank you all. Bye, dear. You can leave the class now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye. Bye, 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 bye.